Check out this Four Seasons room that we just roughed. It is a Thursday and we are in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. This customer called us out because they just had this Four Seasons room built. They still got a little bit of siding and a little bit of trim left to do, but other than that, it's ready for a rough. So right now, I got to try to figure out how I'm going to get a wire up into that Four Seasons room. So basically, what I ended up doing was I stuck a pilot bit through that wall. That used to be the exterior wall of the house, but now it's going to be an interior wall. I stuck a pilot bit through there in order to see where I'm going to drill. And basically, I ended up in a good bay. So now I'm going to cut in these O-works here. I'm going to add 2 O-works on the side of this door because of the wall space. We got 6 feet on one side of the wall and 6 feet on the other side of the wall. So we're going to have to add a plug. This is how I ended up drilling down into the basement. I cut my plug and then I used a long extension bit with a spade bit all the way down into the basement, and it worked out perfectly. Landed right where I wanted it. As you can see in that previous clip, I had to chisel away that foam. That's closed cell spray foam. And it's so difficult to chisel away. It hardens up like a rock, and it just takes a very long time to chisel it away. There was also some wires that were sprayed in there, so we had to be careful. I couldn't just use a multi-tool. I'm going to clean everything and vacuum out the bay, clean up all that sawdust and wood chips. It's not professional to leave a mess like that, so we like to clean everything up, sweep it up, and make it look like better than it was when we got there. So as you can see, we got the 2 plugs there. I put the plates on them for now. I didn't tie any of the wires in, but we also snaked an 18-2 up there, and that's going to be for some radiant heat that they're going to put in here, so it's going to work out perfectly. They also had a mini split that was down in that corner over there. That's what they used to use before, but it costs way too much to use, so they want to switch to radiant. I got the wire ran nice and neat on the beam there. Everything looks beautiful. And then we ended up tying it into this 4-square box, which does the outdoor plugs and the lighting. This is on a arc fault breaker. We don't need any GFCI protection in this instance because, again, it's just a Four Seasons room, but we do have that arc fault protection. I swept the entire basement floor, cleaned everything up down there. Everything's looking great. So if you're in the Massachusetts area and you need a high-quality electrician, give us a call. We are taking new clients and would be happy to help.